In 2025, you no longer need to know how to code to get a jaw-dropping modern portfolio website that makes clients say, "Shut up and take my money." Today, we're doing the entire thing using completely free tools. By the end of this video, you have a live professional portfolio that looks like it costs $5,000, but actually costs you $0 and less than an hour. Smash that like button if you're ready to finally stop procrastinating on your portfolio. And let's dive in. Hey, it's Hellies. Welcome back to the channel where we make tech and AI easy and actually fun. Today, we're building a modern portfolio website using free AI, zero coding required, well, almost zero. Here's exactly what you're getting. 1. A sleek, mobile responsive portfolio in minutes. 2. Push everything to GitHub with one click. 3. Deploy it live on Vercel in under 60 seconds. Timestamps are in the description so you can jump around. Let's go. First, I'm in Google AI Studio right now, completely free as of 2025. No credit card needed. You can access it by going to istudio.google.com. I have also added the link at the description of this video. On the dashboard, go to the sidebar and click on Build. This is where we control everything. Here, you can bring your ideas to live with Gemini by just describing the ideas, and we will do just that. Here's the prompt that changed everything for me. I'm going to paste the link to the prompt in the description and pin it in the comments so you can copy paste. It's on my Telegram channel, so feel free to use it. The prompt says you are an expert React TypeScript developer creating premium 2025 personal portfolio websites. Generate a complete, breathtaking single-page portfolio website. We are using React, Vite, Tailwind CSS, Framer Motion, Lucid React icons, and then all customizable content centralized in one file, src constant.ts. So, we want every parameters to be customizable. Now the prompt says, generate the site for A, change the profession to your own profession. For me, I am a full stack developer, mobile app developer, AI content creator named. Change the full name to your name. Here I will be using Hellis space. Change the tagline to, here I will be using AI first, tech next. Funny, that's all I can think of for now. The prompt also specifies the font, arrangements, and color codes. Edit to fit your preferences. Now, click Build and let the AI do its thing. Let's wait for it to write the codes. Now, we have the website fully generated. You can inspect the code. We have the constant.ts which contains all the editable text you can edit to match your portfolio. Now, let's view the website in speed mode. Next, let's deploy the website. The most simple method is using Google Cloud. Click on Deploy App, create a new cloud project, set the project name and save, then choose the project and make sure you set up billing. Note this method is not free, but I will show you a free method in a minute. To deploy for free on Vercel, Netlify and the others, follow me. First, push your project to GitHub. To do that, click Save to GitHub, name to repository and enter description. Leave the visibility to private. Then click Create Git repo. If you are new, you will be required to sign into GitHub before this, but I am already signed in. Now, wait for it to sync the changes. After stage and commit the changes, no, we have our project on our GitHub repository. Everything is now on GitHub. You can now go to GitHub and look for the new repository with the name you stated. The cool thing about this is that I have instructed the AI with the prompt you pasted earlier to include a README file that will show you the instruction on how to deploy on Vercel. To deploy the website on Vercel, Head over to search Vercel on Google and click on their website. The direct link is at the description of this video. Then log in. I will advise you to log in with your GitHub account so you can easily access your repositories. On the dashboard, click on Add New, then choose Project. Now, import the new repository you created. Here, it is Helix Space. It will automatically choose the framework we specify on our prompt because the website was built on that. Then deploy. Voila! The deployment was successful and the website is live. Now continue to dashboard. Under domain, you will have your website URL. Click on it to access your portfolio website. Now, the website is working perfectly. Look at these animations, the glass cards, the project hover effects. This is 2025 design, and you just built it for free. If this video saved you 40+ hours, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Building a portfolio used to be painful. In 2025, it's actually fun. AI isn't replacing developers, it's making the good ones unstoppable. If you want more videos like this AI plus no code plus career hacks, hit subscribe and ring that bell. Question for you: what's the #1 thing holding you back from updating your portfolio right now? Procrastination? Fear it won't look good? Comment below, let's talk. Thanks for watching. Go build something beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one.